Hello everybody,
Hiya.
we've just arrived.
And
We're
it's
on the
warm.
bus, and it's warm, yeah. And we're on the bus, so we'll let you know when we get to the hotel. I've only got about 10% left, so, but I'll do a room vlog before I do anything else. So see you later, guys.
Bye.
So guys, we're at room 627. We've made it after a bit of an adventurous night, but we'll tell you about that in a minute once we get in.
Welcome.
That took some doing. Eh?
Some rubbish put around the place.
Right, so this is our room. I shall just give you a wee tour of it. We're in the Clare Park Hotel Saloon. So this is the bathroom. Nice double shower. Very modern looking. And we've got a sink. Hi there, everybody. Towels up there. And then we've got the toilet. That's quite modern looking. So David's fiddling on with the air conditioning.
You wonder.
So we've got a cupboard in here. Normal standard cupboard. Plenty of space for our clothes tomorrow.
Safe miles at the back.
Oh yeah, safe at the back. Big bed, plenty of room. Then we've got a table, big mirror, a television, and we've got this famous fridge. Now then, this fridge costs you money, so we're just going to see if it's cold in here. David, are you going to stick your hand in there for me? Because apparently it costs 25 euros. Is it cold?
I'm colder and I'm boiling.
Apparently you get a fridge full of soft drinks, which aren't worth 25 euros. So, there's the television. It's a bit dark, but we'll just open, because we're going to have a sit out on the balcony anyways, so you may as well, we'll have a look and see. David's put this curtain across, even though he knew we were going to go out. So a nice big balcony. We've got he's locking me out. We've got an extendable thing for you. Oops, it's meant to be extendable. Oh yeah, there it goes. So this is it. I'm meant to have a sea view, but obviously it's black dark. But you can see the bay over there. Oh yeah, you can see the sea. Nice view. There's the pool down there. There's another pool kicking about somewhere, but I don't know whereabouts it is. That's the atrium. So we're on 2 blocks. And we ended up going into the lift down there somewhere.
That block there.
And we ended up in the 6th floor on that block. But our room wasn't there, was it? But yeah, it'll be nice in the daytime to see the view. Yeah. But what a job we've had getting here. We got into the transfer bus. It dropped off a few people. The 2 girls that were sitting next to us said, well, we're a minute away from our hotel. Then they were 6 minutes away from their hotel. And they were shouting out the hotels in Spanish. Couldn't hear them because the music was so loud. And it comes to the back, which hotel? Which hotel? So the girls said their hotel, we said our hotel. You have to get off, you have to get off. Taxi, taxi, taxi. So we got dropped off in the middle of nowhere. And we ended up having to get another taxi, which cost €11. So we will be complaining because it's not on after you've paid for a transfer. 40 odd quid for a transfer or something. You know, it's just... But we made it and it looks really nice so far. Drinks are expensive here. Not like Benidorm, but we'll see what it's like in the bars when we go around the place. It has been 6 years since we were here last, but it looks really pretty. So David says he's getting bitten already, and I don't think we brought any insect spray or nothing because we didn't think that we would need it. He's a win. There you go, yeah, so it's now... What time are we on? 11:45. 11:45. So, yeah, nice room. Nice hotel so far. We'll be seeing more in the morning when it's daylight. You cannot really tell at night time anyways. But you just can't believe that, can you? You got dropped off on a roundabout at an H10 hotel, which was quite away from your own, and told to get a taxi. Not on at all. And we booked with these people for January as well. Ah, never mind, the job's a good one. Right, we'll see you all in the morning. Take care everybody, bye bye.